Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where system permissions live. Tap Privacy and Security and then choose Location Services. You're doing this to control app access and conserve battery. If you can't see location services right away, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and not managed by a profile. Once done, you'll be at the main toggle. Leave it off only if you plan to block all location requests, otherwise turn it on to proceed. Now you set app-level rules so only necessary apps get your position. Tap an app and pick Never, Ask Next Time, while using the app or Always. Choose what matches the app's function. Maps need while using or always, whether can use while using. Toggle Precise Location off to share a course area instead of exact coordinates. Make sure to revisit high-use apps to avoid needless battery drain. This step reduces background GPS usage. Finish by checking system services at the bottom of the list so core features like Find My and emergency calls work correctly. Enable or disable each service with intent. Review significant locations only if you want personalized suggestions, and clear history if privacy is a concern. If apps report incorrect location, try toggling location services off and on, restart your iPhone, or reset network settings to fix GPS/network conflicts. If problems persist, update iOS or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.